In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet reports. Whether you're tracking projects or managing data, Smartsheet reports allow you to gather insights and information efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident navigating through Smartsheet reports to create, customize, and utilize them to their fullest potential. Let's start by accessing the Reports tab in your Smartsheet workspace. On the left-hand navigation panel of your screen, you'll find the Reports tab. Clicking on this tab will take you to the heart of Smartsheet reporting, where you can begin organizing your data. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're new to this. Once you're in the Reports section, the next step is to create a new report. You'll see an option labeled Create New Report. By clicking on this button, you'll open the Report Builder interface. This is where the magic happens. The Report Builder allows you to construct a report that reflects exactly what you need from your data. Now, it's time to select the source sheets for your report. You have the flexibility to choose multiple sheets here, which is particularly useful if your data is spread across various projects or areas. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses dealing with complex data models, as it aggregates information into a single, cohesive report. Take a moment to consider which sheets contain the data you need and select those accordingly. Next, we'll define the report criteria. This step is crucial for ensuring your report focuses on the most relevant information. Set filters that specify which rows you want to include in the report. You might want to filter data based on specific users or tasks, such as those that are overdue. These criteria help in filtering out the noise and delivering insights that are pertinent to your needs. With your criteria in place, the next move is to customize the columns and grouping within your report. Decide which columns are most important for your report. Selecting the right columns ensures that you only see the data that matters to you. If there's a need to further streamline the information, grouping data by certain columns can bring clarity and enhance the organization of your report. Grouping can be especially useful for identifying trends and patterns within your data. Once you've tailored your report to your liking, it's time to save and run it. Click on the Save button to ensure your report settings are stored. Then, select Run Report to see the aggregated data in action. This step will present the information neatly organized according to all the adjustments and criteria you've put in place. And there you have it, a fully customized Smartsheet report, ready to deliver insights and facilitate informed decisions. With practice, these steps will become second nature, and you'll be able to harness the full potential of Smartsheet reports for all your data management needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.